what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's why she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just blind. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I know what love is once time. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you're doing too much and you don't go. And I know you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. So I try to get a reaction. I'm not a child, so I can have
twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with my broke nigga, that's shy.
I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's pressed for me.
These bitch can't ride like this, Healy ain't come outside with this. Ain't like gon' slide by this. On the east, the block gon' ride by this. I hope can't niggas sit next to me. Get your bands up or come work for me. But I'm that hoe really pressed by me. About a nigga, baby, that's talking cheap. Now speak on me, baby, keep the P. When I see the nigga, I don't need to speak. I heard these hoes, yeah, been fresh up by that nigga that ain't mine. With that pussy on them, make us meet every last time. Ain't no love in this shit, I just be coming every time.
I thought you wait.
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with my broke nigga, that's shy.
I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. I thought you wait, these hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's pressed for me. It be these niggas that run around got like bitches. Make them eat my ass, then I send them back to hit Missy. Trick them out them band, then it's time to meet Big Lizzy. Block 41, yeah, you know they keep shit driven. Big hooted till you hoes, heard my name, you come up missing. I'm the biggest hoe, I swear I'm nothing like you bitches. They loving these niggas, I'ma keep them in their feelings. Haters ain't no mouth trying to run me up to me. What's up, G-Way?
In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session, we be wildin'. Won't catch me playing with my broke nigga, that's shy.
What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. What's up, G-Way? These hoes can't fuck with me. It be the bomb ass hoe that's pressed for me.
Hold on, baby, I'm a player, not a simp, babe. This shit coming off the head like a temp fade. And your bitch tryna kick it like a sensei. Maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, know I brag different. I can go and spend it, nigga, cause my bag different. That bitch, she ain't really fucking bad, the whole catfishing. And I got two bitches doing tricks, this whole back flipping. I been smoking on that gas, you can smell the aroma. In the booth, I'm in that mode, sipping Arizona. You might think bro finna crash the way he been the corner. Take your bitch and give her back, no, I don't even want her. Take your bitch and give her back, I want a refund. In the booth, got on dark shades, I can't even see nothing. I be high up in the stars, now I'm finna be one. How the fuck I cut you off, you running back that little D1. Yeah, she's a trap star. Baby, I'm a dog like them pits in the backyard. I be on some other shit while niggas tryna act hard. And we steady getting to that money, nigga, that part. Bitch, you can call me Timmy, know I'm finna turn her up. Nigga, we been getting to that bad, that's what I'm running up. My name getting hot up in the streets, say I'm burning up. Nigga, ain't no doubt about it, niggas know for sure I'm coming up. Yeah. We been getting to that cake, bitch. I ain't ever flat, nigga know my pocket straight. Steady grinding, nigga know that's what it takes to be great. And I'm spitting real shit up on the mic, this ain't no fake shit. Hold on, baby, I'm a player, not a simp, babe. This shit coming off the head like a temp fade. And your bitch tryna kick it like a sensei. Maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, know I brag different. I can go and spend it, nigga, cause my bag different. That bitch, she ain't really fucking bad, the whole catfishing. And I got two bitches doing tricks, this whole backflip.
That's what you been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's why she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, matter of fact what you been. I was just blind, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it, I know what love is once time. Let it go, let it go, let it go.